You can do anything, but you can't die.
ダメよ。
Well, it's a beautiful morning to find a tunnel. Now, this wasn't just any tunnel, but a tunnel I found near my auntie's home in Japan back in 2014. One I vowed I would one day come back to and get to the other side of. I found it. This was the tunnel I found like 8 years ago, almost 10 years ago. And I was too scared to go down by myself, so I brought Ari.
You see a creepy dark tunnel. You never yell into it unless you want an answer.
We didn't venture very far because we didn't have bright enough lights. Tried to bring Kendo and Truman. Are you guys scared? But we ran out of time. Alas, the road has been found. However, due to time constraints, we have to go back. But this time would be different. I brought a headlamp. I made time. I heard voices. Oh, no way. How far does one venture down the abandoned tunnel? I was going to make this exact video, but unsponsored, like a year ago. And here I am, and I get to be paid for it. So that is, I kind of am very curious to see if Japanese is 50% of my makeup. Okay, I'm gonna open this email. Am I ready to explore my ethnicity? Let's go. Helena, you are 40.6% Japanese and Korean. 40? Only 40? 29.9% Irish, Scottish, and Welsh. Okay, that makes sense. 10.8% Central Asian, so I guess 50% Asian. 6.5% Baltic, and 12.2% four more ethnicities. What does that mean? Okay, so review. This was super cool to do. As a very ethnically ambiguous person, it was kind of nice to reaffirm my Asianness. I will say the Baltic was a bit of a wild card, and I was low-key terrified by, seeing how many relatives I have in the world. All right, well, that was fun. If you want to have a turn at this, MyHeritage has a promotion right now. So if you click in the description box, I have a discount code you can use. And get some free shipping. It's actually quite fun. Probably a really cool gift as well.
この先、列車行き違いのため停車いたします。
My Auntie Mitsue's house is the house we've always stayed in when we've visited. A home filled with so many memories. I sometimes wonder how many of them are actually that.
Handsome mom.
Or just moments caught on camera that have, I don't know, now become my memories. Yeah.
He found it.
Coming back here is like traveling through a time warp. Auntie Mitsue is so similar to Mom. It's actually crazy. And her movements, her mannerisms, her voice, and her disapproving looks. Hi. But I think it's mainly in her laugh.
大根みっちゃん
No.
弁当お弁当
大きいよこれはもうそれ大きいね
Auntie Hatsuko actually said the same thing about me. At least that's what I think she said anyway.
2023
23?
3月
あ、今年今年
今年か
My older brother's here too, traveling with his own family. I think the last time he was here was in 1999. He swears the only thing that's changed is the 7-Eleven being closer. This region of Japan is a lot more quiet. It is home to Japan's oldest modern silk mill. But largely, it's known for its agriculture.
もしもしごめんねバタバタしててひまちゃんいますか
Auntie Emiko is 76 and is unbelievably active. She and her husband grow all of these vegetables as produce to sell.
これでいいね大丈夫これ向こうこういうのがまた見てあれかおー2つでいい
Wow! Whoa! What is that?
ロマネスコ
Is it like a broccoli or?
Wow, look at ロマネスコ
My aunties say that Gunma women never stop.
エリナちゃんいつかさうちもっと若い時ヤングの時こんな大きいこれこうやって写真撮ったよね
Oh, hi.
覚えてる
I took photos last time of their massive ones.
Do you wish you had a garden like this?
Yep.
And I guess that's why all four of them are still working into their 80s.
生のまんま
Emi-chan.
エミちゃんこれどうするこれ水菜は水炊きみたいのするんだよだからさ取ったらこっちをねこっちの方が甘いから持たしてやろうかなと思ってこっちがねそれで木もねこっちはね虫が今年は甘いかも
I ask Auntie Mitsue what she thinks is the secret to a long, happy life.
何でも前向きに考えていくことだと思います。あまりくよくよしないこと。肩がちょっと。
I ask her if there are family recipes, but just as I suspected,
レシピはありません。頭の中です。頭の中に入っています。
Hi.
何？
We're at Miyogi Jinja. Last time I was here, I was with Mom Nari. I think it was 2014. So peaceful here.
Aki-chan? Run?
Aki-chan run.
What do you think, Helena?
We're at the childhood home now, above the river running through Shimonita. My auntie says they spent their afternoons playing in the water, scrambling up little mountains all around. A part of me dreamed that one day we would renovate the house, but my auntie says that it was just built too close to the road.
20 years and the time is correct. It's 1:30. That is so creepy. And that music box.
My memories of this house are of it being the perfect setting for a Japanese horror film.
Whoa! Cool, what's this?
My goodness. Bento bako.
Bento bako.
純ちゃんのんじゃないの
This one's
こういうのね。で、後ろのみかんの箱もそうだね。ほら、純と本ってあるじゃない。So this should be this way, not that way, like that. Yeah. So, and then.
Yes, it's crazy. It's crazy to be back here. Look at the house here. Growing up, like I didn't really realize Mum grew up in a mountain town. You know, because you are surrounded by the mountains, by the river. To be fair, we didn't hear a whole lot about.
Mum didn't really talk about it much, eh? This would be a hiker's dream around here, right?
The school they all went to feels like it's been frozen in time. The man showing us around tells us about their decreasing numbers, not uncommon for rural Japan, or Japan full stop. Mum was the only one who ever left.
ここに来た良い思い出はありますか？楽しかったですか？そうね。
So?
Wow. 難しい。わからない。わかりません。私にはわかりません。
It is kind of crazy to think how a small town rural girl from Japan ended up in New Zealand in the 90s. She lived a very different life to her sisters.
何歳ですか?
49年。
Much to their disapproval, but still, she always called Japan home.
Oh. いっぱい?
もうわかんない。
あ、
いた？どこ？あ、ほんと。
はい。My auntie, she knows about the long trails I've hiked.
時には危険を伴いますね。兄弟や親はなんて言ってますか？
エリナが行きます。
See light.
Oh, it's a long light. Okay. Well, You know, that was not what I thought it was going to be. It was a lot less scary than I'd ever imagined. Oh my god, for years. For years. Okay, so we can keep running.
お母さんの分まで100歳まで生きてくださいね。
Please live to be 100 years old for your mother.
はい、
はい
そうです。
そうです。
はいはいはい
そうよ。朝一番にご飯をあげます。純ちゃん、純ちゃん、ね。ね、日本に来たよ、ジャパンね。
お、危ない。おー。
危ない。
危ない。
はい。スモール。
スモール。
スモール。スモール。はい。ピース。はい。はい。はい。
ありがとうございます。
はい。じゃあね。
じゃあね。
はい。大きい。
大きい。
ちっちゃい。ちっちゃい。ちっちゃい。硬いわね。ねえ。